Nigerians.
So they had lost weight.
Yeah.
They were very slow.
What you see here is an epitaph, and it is written in Dutch, and it was put there in the memory of a Dutch governor called Tet. And Tet, he came from Zeeland. Zeeland is one of the provinces in the Netherlands, and he was the last Director General of the West Indies Company. He arrived here on the 16th of January 1758, died on the 12th of March that same year. At the age of 41, he was buried down here. He died out of malaria or yellow fever. At that time, there was a pastor. There was a pastor called A. Andresi. He came from Vieira. Vieira is a village in Zeeland where Governor Tet came from. And he wrote something in the form of a tribute for Tet. And all that he was saying was that Tet was just, honest, and God-fearing. At the time of slavery, somebody being just, honest, and God-fearing, it is only him who can explain that. Hypocrisy at the highest level.
Thank you. Thank you, my brother.
That's why he lived that long.